Hello class, I just wanted to show you how to perform the covariance analysis in Excel, and there's a couple things you need to know and a couple different ways you can do this. First thing you need to know, and this is for problems 3.46 and 3.48, your data needs to be side by side. So the data file for 3.46, the coffee drink file, already has this. Whereas for 3.48, you're going to have to use, you can do one of two things like I've showed in the previous scatter plot videos. Either put the two columns next to each other manually, or select one column, hold the control key, and select the other column. Okay, so what I have discovered is that there's two covariance formulas in Excel, one for the sample and one for the population. Meaning, is the data a sample of the population, or is it the actual population data? And for our intents and purposes, we want to use the sample formula. So with that, method number one using syntax is you just put your little equal sign there, type COV, and you'll start to see right here that the formula options are coming up. And now here's what I was talking about, the covariance P, which is population, and the covariance S for sample. We want the S, so if you click on that, actually what you want to do is double click on it, and then the syntax will start to write itself. Now Excel just needs the data, and the easiest way to do that is once you have this pop up is go up here to the function bar and click the FX key here, and this little function arguments box comes up, and it's asking you for array 1 and array 2, which is basically column 1 and column 2. So what we want to do is select our first array without the column name, and then select our second array without the column name, and you'll see our formula result is already appearing right here, so just click OK. And so there's our answer, 591.6667. That is a covariance for the sample population, for the sample of the population. So use that formula, do not use the covariance P. Likewise, if you use the tool pack, you're going to get this output. And it's not a huge difference why there's a discrepancy. However, just to show you, if we go to data analysis, click on covariance, click OK, it's asking for our input range, and I already have that selected. We have our labels in the first row checked, and I'm just going to put this in on the same page so you can see it. So output range is going to be, I'm going to pick a cell here, and I'm going to click OK. And here's the output from the data analysis tool pack, and you'll see this value of 507 matches that of the covariance P formula. Not a huge big issue, but if you want your answer to match the textbook, use the sample formula, and the only way you're going to get that is using the actual covariance S formula, clicking on that function button and entering each array. And that's it.